In Deepser, the Freeform Board feature allows agents to assign or unassign tickets from their personal queue. This helps optimize workload distribution, ensuring quicker response times and efficient collaboration while maintaining full ticket traceability. To create a Freeform board, you need to go to the board and then click the plus icon on the top right of the screen. Here you have to fill out the necessary fields. Name the board. Choose the background of the board. Select the Freeform type. You can also write a short description for the board. Here you have to choose the users or groups that would be able to view or edit the board. And lastly, you can also choose an icon for the board. Afterwards, apply the changes and you'll be able to see the board. To create lanes, click on the plus button and you only have to name it. To create entries inside the lane, click the plus button over here. You can also freely move entries from one lane to another by drag and dropping it. This was it for the Freeform board. Thank you.